On this new short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Facebook and click on it, and now click on force stop and then go to the notifications. Make sure to enable all the notifications. Go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission, and then go to the data usage. Make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data, and enable only the mobile data and the Wi-Fi like this. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, go back to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Facebook and update it. By the way, you can do the same thing on the iPhone iOS. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.